While the giants of Silicon Valley steal headlines, a select group of penny stocks are quietly building disruptive technologies, securing strategic partnerships, and positioning themselves for explosive growth. I'm talking about companies that could deliver staggering returns, turning modest investments into significant wealth. Stay with me straight into our countdown, revealing the 6 best technology penny stocks poised for an explosive 2026. Starting our list at number 6 is Alight Inc., ticker ALIT. Alight is a leading cloud-based human capital technology and services provider, with its work-life platform helping organizations manage employee benefits, payroll, and well-being. They boast an impressive client roster, serving 70% of Fortune 100 and 50% of Fortune 500 companies primarily through its employer solutions segment. While the stock is down 74.5% over the past year and trading near its 52-week low of $1.94, this challenging period could be setting the stage for a significant rebound. Recent leadership changes are a major catalyst. Rohit Verma, with a track record of 4 consecutive years of record revenue growth at Crawford & Company, is set to become CEO on January 1, 2026. His expertise in finance, strategy, and client-centric leadership aligns perfectly with Alight's future trajectory. Despite a Q3 2025 revenue decline of 4.0% year-over-year, including a 13.7% drop in project revenue, Alight demonstrated impressive profitability improvements. Adjusted EBITDA increased 16.9% year-over-year to $138 million, with margin expansion of 460 basis points to 25.9%, showcasing effective cost management and operational efficiency. Although the company reported a substantial generally accepted accounting principles net loss of $1.055 billion in Q3 2025, largely due to non-cash goodwill impairment charges, analysts predict a return to profitability this year with a forecasted EPS of 0.57. This suggests strong confidence in its turnaround strategy. Alight is also expanding its partnership with IBM, aiming to increase employee productivity by over 90% with pilot programs in early 2026. This move into AI-driven innovation, combined with its high recurring revenue model, over 90%, positions Alight for a robust recovery and substantial growth by 2026, offering an incredible 22.2% upside potential and is held by 39 hedge funds. Our 5th potential breakout is Xerox Holdings Corporation, ticker XRX. A name synonymous with office technology for decades, Xerox is currently undergoing a massive transformation from its traditional print-centric model to a services-led, software-enabled organization. While its Q3 2025 results showed an EPS of 20 cents, significantly below forecasts, and revenue of $1.96 billion falling short, these numbers reflect a company in a deep strategic pivot rather than one in terminal decline. The stock has fallen over 67% in the past year, trading near its 52-week low, signaling potential undervaluation for patient investors. Xerox's multi-year reinvention program, initiated in 2023, is aggressively driving structural cost reductions and operational efficiencies, with gross synergy and reinvention savings expected to exceed $1 billion. Strategic acquisitions like Lexmark International, which closed in July 2025, aim to consolidate major players in the global print and managed services industry, with synergy targets increased from $250 million to $300 million. Additionally, the IT-savvy acquisition has bolstered Xerox's IT solutions offerings, which showed double-digit pro forma growth and expanded gross margins in Q3 2025. Crucially, their IT solutions business delivered impressive 162.8% revenue growth to $226 million in Q3 2025, moving from break-even to $18 million in profit. Xerox is also launching the Xerox TriShield 360 Cyber Solution, a comprehensive cybersecurity service utilizing Palo Alto Networks Cortex XDR technology, designed for small and medium-sized businesses. This AI-driven solution offers 24/7 monitoring, real-time threat detection, and automated fixes, showcasing their commitment to AI-driven digital services. Despite the secular decline in its core printing business and a significant debt burden, analysts acknowledge Xerox's strong brand and leadership in managed print services, seeing potential in its aggressive transformation and growing IT solutions segment. Coming in at number 4, we have Rimini Street, Inc., ticker RMNI. This company is a global leader in providing third-party enterprise software support, managed services, and innovation solutions for giants like Oracle, SAP, and VMware. Rimini Street offers a compelling cost-effective alternative to traditional vendor support. Their Q3 2025 performance showed an EPS of $0.03, below expectations, and revenue of $103.4 million, slightly missing forecasts. However, a closer look reveals that revenue, excluding PeopleSoft products, actually increased by 2.5%, indicating positive momentum in their core business segments. A major catalyst for Rimini Street's future is the resolution of its long-standing Oracle litigation in July 2025. This settlement, which included Oracle paying back approximately $37.8 million in legal fees, removes a significant business overhang that previously deterred potential customers and partners. While the agreement mandates a wind-down of PeopleSoft support by July 2028, currently 5% of revenue, the strategic benefit of removing this legal cloud is immense. Rimini Street is aggressively pivoting to become a diversified IT services firm with three key pillars: support, optimize, and innovate. Their AI strategy is gaining serious traction, with 26 client engagements for their agentic AI ERP innovation solution powered by ServiceNow's AI platform. This shift towards AI-driven solutions aligns perfectly with the growing trend of multi-vendor, composable ERP strategies. With a record remaining performance obligation backlog of $611.2 million, up 6.4% year-over-year, and solid cash reserves of $108.7 million, Rimini Street is positioned for a strong rebound. Our third contender for explosive growth is Ribbon Communications Inc., ticker RBBN. This global provider of secure cloud communications and IP and optical networking solutions is perfectly positioned to capitalize on some of the biggest trends in technology. Ribbon operates across two key segments: cloud and edge, and IP optical networks, demonstrating resilient performance with Q3 2025 revenue increasing 2% year-over-year to $215 million, contributing to 6% year-to-date growth. Crucially, the IP optical network segment achieved positive EBITDA contribution for the first time in recent quarters, growing 11% year-over-year, a significant milestone. This growth is driven by strong international performance, with Europe, Middle East, and Africa up 50% and India up 31%. Analysts are bullish on Ribbon, citing its strategic positioning to benefit from global 5G rollouts, the surging network traffic from generative AI, and significant U.S. government incentives for network modernization. The company is actively innovating, having launched Acumen, an AI-driven automation platform focused on autonomous networking. They've also secured major contracts, including partnerships with leading technology providers and one of the largest SaaS companies globally, highlighting strong market traction. Despite being currently unprofitable, with a significant debt load and weak interest coverage, the consensus among 6 analysts is overwhelmingly bullish, with no sell ratings. Citizens reiterated a market outperform rating with a $6 price target, representing substantial upside from current levels. Furthermore, Ribbon is generating positive cash flow from operations, with $26 million in Q3 2025, increasing its cash balance to $77 million. With strong international growth and key customer wins like Verizon, where revenue grew approximately 20% year-over-year, Ribbon Communications is making strategic moves for long-term growth. Next up, at number 2, we have Repay Holdings Corporation, ticker RPAY. This fintech company provides integrated payment processing solutions across specialized verticals, including personal loans, automotive, and crucial business-to-business segments. Repay has demonstrated a mixed financial performance, with a Q3 2025 EPS miss at -0.08 against an expected 0.21, though revenue impressively exceeded forecasts at $79.1 million. Despite these headwinds, Repay posted an adjusted EBITDA of $31.2 million, maintaining a robust 40% margin, and generated strong free cash flow of $20.8 million, indicating a 67% conversion rate. Repay's strategic focus is shifting towards larger enterprise clients, a move that, while causing some near-term margin compression, promises substantial long-term growth. Their B2B payment segment is particularly robust, showing 12% normalized gross profit growth year-over-year in Q3 2025, supported by an expanding supplier network of over 524,000 vendors. This focus on automating accounts payable offers vast, untapped opportunities. Management is aggressively enhancing shareholder value through significant share repurchases, having bought back approximately 3.1 million shares in Q3 alone and 7.9 million year-to-date. They've also opportunistically retired $73.5 million of 2026 convertible notes at a discount, demonstrating prudent capital allocation. Q3 2025 marks a pivotal moment, as it's the final quarter impacted by one-off client losses from 2024, with Q4 anticipated to be the first clean quarter in a year. This could signal a significant turning point for normalized growth, with analysts maintaining buy ratings and price targets significantly above its current trading price. Repay Holdings could be a compelling rebound story. And now, for our number one pick, the technology penny stock with staggering upside potential that you've been waiting for, Clarivate plc, ticker CLVT. This global leader in insights and analytics is critical for innovation across academia, intellectual property, and life sciences. Clarivate is undergoing a significant strategic shift, transitioning from a transactional to a subscription-based revenue model, a move that is already seeing notable progress. Their recurring revenue mix has climbed from 80% to 88%, with a clear target of reaching 90% over time, providing greater stability and predictability to their revenue streams. While the company's revenue declined 3.92% over the last 12 months to $2.5 billion, it boasts impressive gross profit margins of 66.07%, reflecting the inherent value of its intellectual property and data assets. This gives them pricing power and operational efficiency. Clarivate is heavily investing in AI, a crucial catalyst for future growth. They've recently launched 2 AI-powered patent analysis tools for their Innography platform, including AI Classifier and SEP Analyzer, which demonstrate up to 97% first-pass accuracy and can slash classification time from weeks to mere minutes. This is a game-changer for patent professionals. Despite challenges like high leverage, currently at 4.3 times EBITDA, management is committed to reducing it below 3 turns, demonstrating fiscal discipline. Furthermore, management's aggressive share repurchases, with $100 million bought back in the first half of 2025, signal strong confidence in their long-term value creation. Analysts project future EPS in the range of 66 cents to 73 cents, suggesting a clear path to improved profitability. Trading at attractive valuation multiples like a forward PE of 5.47 for FY25, Clarivate appears significantly undervalued, making it a compelling play for those looking for a subscription-driven tech transformation. Now, let's take a quick look at how these companies stack up against each other financially. Starting with market capitalization, Clarivate plc leads the pack with a substantial $2.14 billion, followed by Alight, Inc. at $983.8 million. On the smaller side, Repay Holdings and Xerox Holdings both hover around the $315 million mark. When it comes to annual revenue, Xerox Holdings stands out with a massive $6.6 billion. Alight and Clarivate also show significant revenue bases at $2.28 billion and $2.50 billion, respectively. Rimini Street and Repay Holdings, while smaller in revenue, demonstrate focused business models. Profitability metrics tell an interesting story. Repay Holdings boasts an impressive 75.5% gross margin, followed closely by Rimini Street at 61.3% and Clarivate at 65.8%. These high margins are typical of software and service-centric businesses. Ribbon Communications also holds a respectable 53.1% gross margin. Now, for earnings per share, Rimini Street is the only one in the black with a positive EPS of 47 cents. A clear indicator of its operational efficiency and robust business model. The others, including Alight, Xerox, Ribbon, Repay, and Clarivate, are currently reporting negative EPS, highlighting their growth stage nature, heavy reinvestments, or ongoing transformations. Dividend yield is only present for Alight, Incorporated, at a noteworthy 8.5%, and Xerox Holdings at 4.1%. Providing an income component often rare in growth-focused penny stocks, while the others prioritize reinvestment into their growth strategies. These are 6 technology penny stocks, each with compelling catalysts and significant upside potential, poised to make serious moves by 2026. Which of these tech penny stocks do you believe has the best shot at an explosive breakout, and why? Drop your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Your perspective adds immense value to this community. And if you're looking for even more high-potential investments, don't miss our video right here on 7 cheap stocks to buy before they skyrocket.